guys, welcome back to my channel and another clean with me. Today I'm actually going to be focusing on my downstairs. If some of you know, some of you may not know if you follow us on our other channel, that we are in the process of getting new furniture. At the point of this video, I decided it was time to mop my downstairs because all the furniture is pretty much out. So now will be the perfect time to get all the floors looking great. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on the bell. Please give the video a like and let's get on with this clean with me. The funny thing is, our furniture was supposed to come today. On the day I was mopping, I was so excited. That's why I was like, I'm gonna do this clean with me, get the house looking good, smelling good, new furniture. Could not wait to vlog it on our family channel. And guys, bad news is furniture never made it. That's because they brought the wrong furniture, the wrong couch. They didn't bring 2 pieces, they only brought 1. It was a complete disaster, but I'm happy to say that as I'm filming this right now and doing the voiceover for it, we have furniture in our living room. So you guys, I'll be doing another video soon to show you everything that we got for the living room, and I'm like so excited and so glad that we finally have furniture. Mopping is definitely one of my least favorite chores I would say we have to do around the house, that and bathrooms. But I actually love this mop that I got right here. This one, I actually found it at Walmart, and it is the brand O Cedar, and I'm actually really enjoying it. I normally have my Bona mop. I used to swear by that one, but for some reason, there's nothing wrong with good old water and soap in a bucket. Sometimes I just really like that a lot better. Let me know down below, what do you like to mop with? What do you guys use? I also use the Pledge floor mop cleaning solution. You probably saw that in the very first clip, and I really love the way that smells. So let me know what you guys like to use down below. And since my last clean with me, I got some new furniture in my dining room, so I can't wait to share that as well. You'll see the pieces here. We got a new table and a new buffet. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do, guys. I'm going to leave it right here. There's the link. Make sure you follow me there. I hope you did enjoy this quick clean with me. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.